Rockstars. It is your girl, the leader of the Rockstars, Talia Janette. I am back with a product review. Now, before we get into this review, make sure you stop if you haven't already. You subscribe, you hit the notification bell, you comment, and you like the video and share the video. You never know who may need to see this review, who may need this product in their life. So today we're going to get into something that I've seen countlessly on the internet, and my line sister also has this product. So I, as most females and most makeup lovers are, if you are not a professional makeup artist, there is a 95% chance you are very lazy when it comes to cleaning your brushes. Yes, you. I am talking to you. There is a chance you probably do not clean your makeup brushes as frequently as you should. I know I don't. Usually if I do a video, like if I do multiple videos in a week, I might clean my brushes at the end of the week. Like, I don't clean them at every video because I have so many freaking brushes. Like, this brush, I have like 4 of these. So if you have like multiples of the same brushes or you use countless sponges, you don't clean your brushes as often. However, that dreaded day comes between wash day for my hair and cleaning my brushes. Those are the 2 days that and laundry. Those are the 3 days that I just dread the most when they happen. So I saw my line sister had this product and I decided to follow suit and get it. And I found it on Amazon. I will post the link in my description bar of the exact one that I brought. Y'all know how Amazon gives it up. It might fluctuate, so it might cost more than what it was when I brought it. It might cost less than when I brought it. Like, who knows at this point. So I caved in and brought one of these brush cleaners. Now, I know y'all are like, why? Again, because it is such a task, especially when you have a ton of brushes to clean. I'm always looking for an efficient way to work smarter, not harder. So this set came with the brush motor, which is this little metallic red. I'm always here for that. And the brush, the holder came in this little bag. It came with 2 of these adapter pieces. It came with the little fish bowl, and it came with all of these brush holders. So these adjust to the size of the brushes that you have, and I feel with the exception of my mermaid brushes, because they have, they have that weird tail. They have like these weird tails on them, so they can't fit into anything. But all the rest, like my unicorn brushes, my NYX brushes, my Beauty Bakery brushes, my Real Technique brushes, all of the brushes that I use fit inside one of these. So like, you got the really large one, and then you have like the ones that are really small. So I am not going to do a live demonstration because I have a video here. Saw, didn't go as well as I thought and hoped it would have went. I realized with like my NYX brushes, especially because they're so densely packed, like you have to scrub these type of foundation brushes. You just can't. I mean, the upside to this, I'll show you guys. The upside to this is that I don't have to wait long, because the brush, this does 2 things. So when you put it in the water, it'll like, it opens the brush up. Like, you guys see the inside of that doesn't get cleaned too much. But the upside is when you're done washing it, you can do this and it'll dry. Like, the one thing I hate is waiting for my brushes to dry, and it's a very time consuming process, especially like if I need to wash them and use them for a video like right away. They take forever to dry. Again, I also know you guys saw the inside of this brush. I am not a professional makeup artist, so that doesn't bother me because it's only me using my brushes. And I just feel over time too, your brushes do get discolored, especially if they have light bristles. Who is it? Who makes these brushes? Wet n Wild. Their brushes are pink and white, and I don't know who in marketing thought, you know, Beauty Bakery also, their brushes are their brushes have white bristles. I don't know who in marketing thought it was a good idea to make brushes with white bristles, because it is so hard to get them back white. And I normally, when I wash my brushes, I have a friend, she owns her own bath company, Bubble Babes, which I absolutely love. Like, I've been, oh my god, since I was what, 15, 16, I've been using a lot of Nikki's stuff, and her Brush Me Off soap was like so fire. Juvia's Place did a collab with her. The Brush Me Off soap is organic, and when I tell you, it gets your brushes clean. Like, I'm waiting for sis to do a liquid soap. Like, if she do, Nikki, if you're watching this and you do a liquid soap, let me know, because I need it. When I do run out of my Brush Me Off soap, the only two other things I personally use, I either use whatever shampoo, conditioner I have that I use in my hair. I know some people will like just grab any random bottle. I'm like, if I'm not using it, I'm not using it on my brushes. So I usually use my Cream of Nature conditioner to clean my brushes. Or if I'm really desperate, I'll use Dawn liquid dish detergent. That will get your brushes clean too. But anything else, if it's not really a brush product, I wouldn't recommend using it. But back to this gimmick. Like I said, this is cute, but some of my brushes, like, just from doing this, did get a little disformed. Again, I feel my NYX brushes held up because they're such dense brushes, so the bristles are so packed tight. They didn't disform really, but like the fluffy brushes did the bristles were kind of crazy. But this is battery operated. What batteries is this? I think this took AA batteries. Oh no, I lied. It's 2 AAA batteries. And like I said, like, if you have eyeshadow brushes, the eyeshadows came off real easy. Like, I did not have any problems with it. It was these damn foundation brushes that just didn't get the task done. Again, it could just be because the brushes were packed so tightly that could have caused the issue. But that's the only speculation I can give you guys at this point. But do I feel this is a product you need? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. If you have a brush scrubber, that will work just as well. You don't need this. Again, this is just if you're lazy like me and you want a faster way to do it, by all means. But if you have the time to clean your brushes, you don't need this. So let me know in the comments below, what ways do you work smarter, not harder? Because I'm always looking for a way to work smarter, not harder in life. So thank you guys as always for watching. This is a really quick review. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.